I'm here at Sodick in Warwick with Connor to talk about rapid hole drilling. So Connor, what is this machine and what are they used for?
Yeah, hi Tom. So this is the Sodick k4HL fast hole drill machine. So this is a full CNC multi-axis hole drill machine. So we've still got the utiliza motors, as we have with all of our other products. But you'll notice we've got the AB axis there on the table as well to allow us to index and rotate.
So what sort of industries are these being used in?
Yeah, so this is for anyone that's doing like through coolant holes, so cutting tools especially, as well as turbine blade manufacture.
And what sort of hole diameter can you go down to?
So as standard, we can do 0.3 to 3 millimeters, and then we can go up to 6 millimeters with an option as well.
And what's it like to program a machine like this?
So yeah, programming, very simple. Same as the die sync machines, it's all conversational on board, so we can just select blind or through hole, and whether we want auto breakout detection on or off, and then whack a program out nice and quick.
Well, Connor, that's great. Other things I'd just like to mention is the bed again.
Again, yeah, also ceramic, so it's all about that thermal stability and the accuracy that we can maintain. And also as well, one of the key features here is we can facilitate up to 500 electrodes, up to between 300 and 500 millimeters in length.
And this machine can actually change its own electrode?
Yeah, it can. So we've got the full hopper system, we've got the collet system and the guide system there, so it can be fully automated into the program.
Well, Connor, that's such a great insight. If you would like any more information on this machine, contact the guys at Sodick.